CBS 13's Drew Balea joins us live from West Sacramento with a look at the widespread damage out there. Drew?
Yeah, well, we still have the wind blowing tonight. You can take a look up here at Old Glory, still waving in the wind. The wind tonight, though, isn't nearly as bad as it was earlier today. Those gusts were strong and they were powerful, toppling trees and also knocking out power to traffic intersections.
So everything was just messed up.
Struggles for thousands on Sacramento roads this afternoon.
Took me like 20 minutes to make that turn.
Eric Kingsbury's typical 10-minute commute took more than a half hour.
All the stoplights all the way down from to Fair Oaks was off.
We caught some of the traffic troubles and streetlight outages live during our 5 o'clock show. But as we drove through this intersection, we saw, well, here we go. This is the problem that you can have. When you have the lights out, people don't realize that you need to treat it like a four-way stop. Falling trees also a concern. This one hit a house in Stockton. In Lodi, a tree fell in front of traffic on Elm Street, and the hood of a car caught this falling tree on El Portal in Manteca. Firefighters had to cut the gas to one house after a fire started when a tree fell in Modesto. Back in Sacramento, this 30-year-old pine split and fell on top of Caleb Greenwood Elementary School. An AC unit was damaged, but the roof held. No children were at the school at the time. A few miles away, another scare at a school.
We could hear the wind, and then we heard a loud crack.
Laura Butler is the principal at Abraham Lincoln Elementary.
We came outside and saw the tree fell.
The tree heavily damaged a substitute teacher's car. Nobody was hurt. Wind and rain, many people getting tired of it.
We had a lot of water and floods, but this is ugly.
And you can see again tonight that the wind is still blowing, but it will be tapering off as we go through the weekend. And meanwhile, the school system, they're going to be cleaning up and preparing for the next round of storms that'll be coming in later this weekend and into Monday. And thankfully, the kids don't go back to school till Tuesday.
It's been constant. It really has been.
It has.
Okay, Drew, thank you very much.